Mic test, mic test. All right, there we go. Gold morning or gold evening, gold morning, good afternoon. Saying that, guys. Kamusta, kamusta? Sensya na, medyo late. um, Kumakain kasi ako kanina. I took a break after um, a swift trade. And to all those na active pa rin nakakapi sa high risk natin, this is our high risk. Let me just show you real quick. And this is our high risk. And yeah, na-close na lahat yung trades ko kanina. But nag-start tayo kanina early and we're resuming now. Nag-break lang ako because nag-exercise ako konti, keep your stress level controlled. And food. Yeah, food. Can you guys hear me, by the way? Can you confirm anyone if you guys could hear me? Loud and clear ba? Okay. Sexy and clear. Thank you, thank you. All right, may tweet na naman si Trump. Let me see. Oh, also, by the way, one of the frequently asked questions natin, by the way, yeah. First one is, I'd like to address red day tayo kahapon, right? Sobrang red day. Um, in this account, the high risk account alone, we lost over 30%, I believe, of my initial deposit. Over 30%. Yeah. So the reason why, bumaba siya is I obviously deposited around 900 USD kanina, right, to prepare for the next month. And of course, let's see if we could recover that 30% loss, right? But no rush, no shortcuts, just hard work, right? So today, I have a few listed. Going back to the FAQs, is yung Trump indicator, right? When to, treat it as an actual indicator, right? Kasi ang daming nafo-FOMO dyan. Akala nila, yun na, but hindi pala. And that's basically what happened also yesterday. So I'll talk about that while we wait for our entry point. Ayan. Sayang kumain ako. I could have entered here kanina. We're projecting that we're going to be shorting, basically. Shorting, we're short biased today or tonight, wherever you are. We're going to be on that side of the trade. Although if we see a good buy signal, then we will take that, right? If not, then by default, today, obviously based on news, we're on short bias. So General Motors, let's address the Trump indicator question, right? So Trump indicator. So like for example here, 4 minutes he posted General Motors, which was once the giant of Detroit, is now one of the smallest auto manufacturers there. They moved major plants to China before I came into office. This was done despite of the savings help given by the USA. Now they should start moving back to America again? Question mark. All right, so if you ask me, right, what does that entail? Let's look at General Motors, right? GE, I think. No, General Motors is GM, right? I think. There we go. let's look at their stock, right? And this is, by the way, before the market opens. Tingnan niyo yung stock nila. And if you look here, the TA, let's see, they're about to, they just declared their earnings way back June. I mean, August 1, sorry, August 1. And it was actually good, uh, because it was over the estimated price, right? Or rate. Next one would be October 29th. But malayo pa yan, right? There's like a month at least. Now, with that tweet, meron pa siyang tweet. Dalawang tweet. All right, let's see the other one. And an idea like mine. All right, that's so. Here's the thing, right? There's basically, an actual, relative, very important, critical tweet, ni Trump or anyone actually that's uh, an influencer, kumbaga, in general, right? Trump is obviously an influencer because he's the POTUS, right? POTUS. Yeah, it stands for President of the United States. This is his official account, President Trump, with over 26 million followers. This one is like times two of that, right? Over times two, right? So if you think about it, kahit hindi, kahit hindi si Trump nag-tweet, if there's a big follower, automatically by default, you are an influencer. Tapos, on top pa dyan, Trump is the president of the United States, and majority of, the big moves and big players are there, right? So right now we go back. How do you, figure out a tweet from him that could be a trash or an indicator, right? That's what we call it, a Trump indicator. So let's address that right now. For me, the tweet 8 minutes ago is definitely an indicator, and there's a big, big, big reason that General Motors could be plunging down, right? Their stock could be going down. Although, even though we're actually seeing already trend down, right? Dito. This is based on 1 hour, right? By the way, time frame. If you look at the day trend, they're actually consolidating and probably about to break this next resistance level, if I may say. Yeah, at least from the day chart. However, with that, with that tweet, and the market is about to open in like an hour and 15 minutes, right? And if you're in Discord, you'll be notified also if you are not if you're not monitoring the market hours, right? And of course, since we're trading in Etoro, then we should base our market hours in Etoro, right? So where did I go from there, right? So in your account, help menu on the left, right? Then market hours, that should open a new tab. And then this, you choose basically anong market na titingnan nyo. So General Motors is stocks, right? And then you look for obviously the US, right? So we could filter that down. We go to, para mas madali tingnan, right? We are past 12, I believe, right? So where is US? US, Canada. We should be using Eastern. There we go. So Eastern, Standard Time. Market opens at, there we go, 9:30, right? See, nandun sa baba. NYSE and Nasdaq opens at 9:30. Although on direct broker access, it could be earlier. May pre-market silang oras, and right now it's considered as pre-market hour, right? So going back, my point here is this is a big news, a big tweet by Trump attacking basically GM, right? The big one of the big manufacturers or motor manufacturers in the U.S. with this tweet, with this one here, and this could potentially drive their price down, right? Potentially. So we're not saying 100%. This This post uh, could really mean different things, right? So as you can see, ang daming nag-reply, and for retailers, that's basically us, and the majority of the traders right now who's basically doing day trading are also looking at this, and probably 80% of these followers are all retailers, right? And that's a big indicator. That right there is a Trump indicator, my friends, classmates, investors, capiers, and fellow Filipinos out there in the world, right? So that is an example of a Trump indicator. Oh, the other ones here, like this one, right? I'm not saying it's a complete trash tweet, but you could probably ignore that because there's like no context. So, grabe siya mag-tweet, right? If you notice, if you've been following his page, that's how it is. Like at least probably an average 5 to 10 tweets a day. So, you know, try to understand, and as you watch for these fundamental news, right? Like CNBC, right? Mga like headlines, right? You look for those headlines, the top news, right? Dito siya magpo-post. The reason why we're looking at the tweets is because they're much more faster. The moment pinost ni Trump yung tweet niya, automatically magpo-post yan dito. In CNBC and other news websites, could take probably a few minutes of delay, right? Kasi type pa nila yun, right? And most probably they have a template. But, bottom line is, it's idea to be following these people or these influencers, right? Sa tweet, right? Sa Twitter page nila. Kasi majority of them uses them. Yeah. But not all of them tweets, though. Yeah. So, si Trump na lang yung mahilig. And, some of the CEOs like Tesla CEO, Elon Musk, if you follow their stock, then watch, for example, watch his tweets. Kasi mahilig na mag-tweet dun si Elon. All right. So, yeah. So, I hope may natutunan tayo today about this indicator kasi I was hit. That's the main reason also. That's why I brought that up. One of the biggest reason why na-hit tayo sa, stop loss natin, targets, and the whip, right? Basically, what we call the whip. So charting, like the big drop. So it happened kahapon early in the morning, my time, Cebu time or Philippines time, that he tweeted about China calling for peace or truce, right? And here we go, sabi hinanap ko. I can't find it. But yeah, there was a tweet related to it. Foxbase, good PM. Yung 63.7 million followers ni Press Trump, Metradis ba yun? Well, yes and no, right? Obviously, majority of the U.S. citizens most probably do trade, and invest in stocks and whatnot dun sa kanila. Completely different in ours, right? Kasi there's just a very small percentage sa population natin dito sa Pilipinas na nag-trade or nag-invest. In America, it's a different thing. So what I'm saying is, marami dyan sa 63 million probably retailer or traders, right? That's the thing. Kaya nga tinawag na Trump indicator because it's becoming like an indicator, right? Recently. So that's what I'm trying to say. So yesterday we had a big red day, right? Like I said, we lost over 30% of our initial deposit dun sa high risk. Yeah. Look at that. 30, right? 34%. Mag-update yan kasi I deposited uh, an amount that brings the profit and loss to around 10%, and we also gained a few kanina when I was trading, right? And I'll be resuming that right now with you guys live. Yeah. So, okay, nag-tweet na naman siya. See, ang daming tweets, right? And not all of them are actually, you know, worth to be called as a Trump indicator. You just sometimes retweet, post, and what you want to see is, yung mga tweets niya na actual tweets, like, with words like this one. This definitely could be a trap indicator. And if you are trading and if part yung JM or General Motors ng watch list nyo, then you better watch out. Watch out for that, right? All right. So let's go back and watch for our entry point. Right now, it's it's bouncing up, and that could be actually an opportunity for us to set a position. See, all right, all right. Sige daw. Let's wait for it. All right. So right now, obviously, in 1 minute, it's overbought, at least based on the minute chart, and also in the 5 minutes. And if you can see, it's about to go down. 5 minutes is still going up. I mean, 15 minutes still going up. But this is my higher risk, super high risk account. So I'll be basically trading in the 115 minutes right now. But still would like to look dito sa swing time frames natin, which is 30 minutes to an hour, right? It's still going up. Yeah, but it's about to go down. But I'll wait for the confirmation at least of 5 minutes to make sure the volume is good. The volume is good, especially when it's about to open, pre-market hours. Always maganda yung volume dyan. But I will come somewhat stop after that because I make it a point to see, a good trend when the market opens. That's why I like to trade 11 onwards, not on the market open hours. Masarap talaga yung Kirin Ichiban. I'm having a beer because it's Friday, and it helps me calm myself, right? Yeah, beer is a good helper na magkalma yung pulse and heartbeat niyo. And, chill lang, di ba? Kamusta dyan sa inyo? Uh, all right, let's see. Okay. They're buying. Maulan ba sa Maynila? Okay. Medyo wala na yung bagyo dito sa Cebu. Dumaan dito para wala pero parang walang bagyo. I don't know. That's why I like Cebu. Uh, that's one of the things why I like Cebu. Right. So this stream basically is one of the things that I like to discuss. Um, how to recover from a red day, right? So basically the same strategy. Nothing is special, right? Uh, you just stick to your strategy, right? And added patience, kumbaga, right? Much more patience. Wait for that indicator to show up and um, you know confirm it. You know, confirm nyo yung checklist nyo and then yung strategy nyo. And my strategy right now basically is the same thing. So I'm waiting right now. I am waiting. Ang daming bulls. Goodbye. I'm seeing a big trend of buyers. I'll wait for the 5 minutes at least to confirm. In the 15 minutes, it's still actually going down. At least yung signal indicator natin, it's actually telling us that. On our swing, let's change that to gold. It's still down, right? It looks like it's going up in the 45 minutes, but no confirmation yet. All right, 1 minute obviously is showing it's going down now, and we could be hitting back this 1525.56, the support line. And I'm waiting for 5 minutes to confirm that it's going down. I think we got confirmation. I'm gonna open trades for short right now. Shorting that. All right, 152. All right. And if you're looking at my page, I mean, at my profile, you should see I just added a short position. And adjusting my TPs now. All right, I'm still seeing it's going down a bit. Adding positions. Go. All right, waiting for that TP hit at 1526.4, 0.4, 0.4, 0.4. Come on, push down to 0.4. Yeah. May kulang ng push. If you're selling, you should be looking at the buy price. So that indicator, by the way, that pricing there, that's a sell price. Ah, okay. So, wag kayong like may mislead na mag-hit na yung TP nyo. But that one is, dito, that's actually the sell price, right? So we're looking at the sell price. If you compare it, yeah, that's the sell price. Now, if you're selling, if you're shorting, then you should be looking at the buy price because that's your mark, right? That's your basis na mag-TP siya or mag-SL, right? Vice versa, right? If you're buying, then the sell price is your indicator when it's gonna hit the TP or SL. Yeah, I hope that makes sense. Mainit sa Bicol? Oh, okay. Hello dyan sa mga Bicolano. All right. Okay. Adding more short positions to 1.6, 0.4 pa rin. 4 pa rin tayo. Enable trailing stop. Ayan. Let's see. Oh, mataas pa siya. Added position ulit. Added more. Short position. Here we go. All right. Bears, come on. Showing strength. So bulls, I mean to bears. Mm-hmm. Okay. All right, now it's waiting game for us. Waiting game. Mm. Okay, where is that quick pullback down here? That's what we're looking at, right? Could be 1, 5, 2, 6, 7. 2, 6, 7, 5 minutes. Okay. All right, it's going down. Down, 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 down. After until we'll take a break basically because the market is about to open at in like in an hour. So, alright, looking na natin yung may bago siyang tweet ulit. Disastrous IG report on James Gunn show. Strongest in terms how unfairly the 10 of millions of great people support retreated. I don't think so. Alright, waiting. I'm gonna glide yung 5 minutes. Should go down now. There we go. There we go. Alright, a little bit more. Look at the 1 minute. If it passes that 48 here, it will definitely go back. There you go, it's passing. So look at the buy. It's 1.27. There we go, it's hitting our TP now. About to hit. Alright, about to break this next level support line. 1, 5, 2, 6, 16. So I just need so I need 1, 5, 7, 8. Come on, go down. There we go. Alright, bears, where are you guys? Pasok, pasok mga bear. There we go. Um, can you guys, like, yung mga nasa copy pa rin ng high risk account natin, are you guys here? If you are, can you please post, like, saying you are, or type 1, yun na lang, type 1. In chat, in Twitch chat. Oops. Ito siya ulit. Alright, waiting that. Sige, 1 minute. Push it down. Mhm. Medyo less yung volume ng bears we're looking at. The DJI is still growing. I mean, not growing, but it's still not yet open. But it gained a lot, kaya nga nag-drop, yung price ng gold. So looking at that volatility, right? Mm-hmm. Daming bulls. I wonder why it is going back up. Let's see. Check natin yung ibang news. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Mm. So it's just the bulls. Hey, good evening, I'm Mickey. Gold evening. Alright, consolidating, waiting for that to drop. Ayan na ba yan? Ayan na ba siya? Ayan na ba yan? I want to see the 127.8. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Still going up the swing. Dying bulls. Okay. Is it trying to break that here? 1529. Resistance. Mm-hmm. Let's see. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's hitting 1530. Okay. Bulls are on the run. Mm. That's my work alarm. All right, yeah, so basically we're gonna end our stream like in 15 or 30 minutes. But I'll keep you updated, of course, in our chat. If ever, we're just gonna cut loss and if hindi siya mag-reverse. But that is actually a big, big spike right there. I was speculating that it should go back to 1523 kanina and go back down. But then the bulls went for it. And here we go. Although I keep adding positions as it went up. Now it's about to go down. It's like kanina, right? Ito. Tumaas siya up to 1530. Then went back down back to that or hit that support line at 1522 here. And this happens. This happened like around 1 p.m. or almost 2 pala. 2 p.m. kanina. It went as high as 1533 and then went back down by 4 hours after to 1521. That's a big, of course, hindi siya dire-diretso, right? This one, it definitely was a big jump. Most probably because the pre-market hours. Yung mga bulls, right? The bull runs. And based on TA, it should, hopefully, hindi pareho dun sa, I'm not hoping, but looking at the TA and also supporting Trump's indicator. In other news, that gold should definitely, at the end of the day, be on the short side. But of course, meron tayong trend and there could be another indicator through that. But here, let's see if it goes back down to 1527.33. Yeah, 1527.33. And we could be hitting some of our TPs. Mm-hmm. There we go. So buy natin is 1529.84. About to go down. Nearest TP is to 28.4. Let's see if it goes to 28.4. Horizontal line, 28 point. Since this is cell, right? So we should at least add 20. If 28.4, then 28.2. Tama ba? Alright. Adding that alarm. If it breaks that back, here, then tapos dito. Alright. First one there, here. Let's see, let's see. All right. How about sa inyo dyan, yung mga virtual copiers, I mean virtual traders. So walang copiers na nandito sa chat ngayon? Sorry, I'm not sure if nasabi ko clearly. Can I can you help me and figure out how many copiers are on this stream right now? Can you type one sa Twitch? Just number one. Okay, so hindi copier si Lorraine kasi two. Madassing risk, yeah. It's not for everybody, of course. If you are for the long game and long term yung target nyo, um, you could copy the of course the long based traders. And I have also a low risk account, although hindi na siya pwede ngayon i-copy kasi puno na yung copiers and then yung asset under management ko. While waiting for the PI or the Popular Investor Program, which probably and hopefully could happen around October, then yeah, you guys are welcome to copy me by then. Early October or mid, I'm not sure. Hi there, Lorraine. Go Bears. Yeah, let's go Bears. Pakita niyo yung mga fangs niyo, Bears. All right. Yeah, look at time frame 1 minute. It should be going down right now. Anytime soon. It's consolidating. And look at here at the details of the technical trend, right? Dami talagang bulls pumasok. So we're waiting for the bears. Natutulog pa ata sila. It's about to hit 30 minutes till the market opens. Okay, it's about to hit my early TPs. So about 28.6 and pataas. So give me that 28.6, 28.6. Come on, come on. Go Bears. It's actually still consolidating. It could go up, but let's see. It's helping. Still playing on that 130 to 129.52. Yeah, if it breaks, it will break the next resistance. That would be at 1532. But we're betting on the short, like I said earlier, and it could break the 1527.23 in like 5 to 10 minutes from now. Although it's still hovering on top dito sa 88 levels ng stock natin. Measurement, right? So we're waiting for that breakout sa support. Yeah, our baseline here is in this time. So 1 second is what 129.1. Now it's about to break that baseline. It should make a new baseline dito sa 28.92, which should hit at least in a few minutes yung target natin. I'm adjusting my TPs, not pushing them down, but instead putting them closer so we can protect our gains, at least half of our positions in the higher risk account. And if you're looking at the page, it's about to hit that level, just waiting for it to drop at 28.6. It's a buy price, right? Now we're looking at the buy price. If you look at this bar here or panel, it's erratic. It's basically, that's just how market works, right? So now we're waiting for that to drop at 28 levels. That should make a new baseline here. And then wait for it to break the next support, right? Medyo hindi ko nakita yung trend that it was actually building up to buy by the bulls. Well, usually. Yeah, medyo mali tayo dun kasi normally, if the market opens, usually nagbo-bull talaga. Majority, at least based on history. But I trusted my TA. And trust we shall. Right now, it's about to hit the 128. 28. See, nagbabago yung baseline niya. Because it's pushing down, right? That's why I like the baseline in 1 minute. The 1 second. Ayun. So it's showing that it's actually about to drop. Let's see. All right, go Bears. Now the trend is actually pushing back to the bear side, which is the left side, lefties, kumbaga. Lorraine, that's up to you. Yeah, whatever account you want to use. I'm just asking everyone to please update your usernames or nicknames Twitch also, like what you did sa Discord, your actual name. You could do that from your settings or profile settings ng account nyo. So please change that para mas madali kausapin and we know sino kausap natin, right? Because we're switching from when I'm online, I'm streaming, I'm talking to you guys, dito sa Twitch, and then when I'm not, kausap ko kayo sa Discord most of the time, right? So that's just how it is. So mas maganda siguro if updated yung pangalan nyo. Ayan, here we go. It's about to go down. Bears go Bears. And the trend is going back to the red side, which is the left side. Ayun, mas mahabang drop. We're seeing greens right now in our portfolio. Hitting that target anytime now. All right, here we go. Boom, 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 boom. Bears, 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 go Bears. Go, go, go Bears. Right? Go Bears. And I just updated my TP targets. Ayun, nag-TP na tayong isang target natin. TP the second one. I think it TP'd another. And about to TP another one. Go, go, go Bears. All right. TP again at 1.28.5. TP na lang lahat yung iba. Refresh the page if you want to see. And the portfolio page, of course. All right. 28.5 is the next level. Look at the green. horizontal line here. We're waiting for that. This is my kind of not set of TP, but speculative pullback. Kumbaga. So here we go. It's consolidating again. It's about to drop. Look at the big drop there, right? Look at the 5 minutes is also going to that same direction. And now on our trends of the buyers and or the long and the short, it's still going down to 1.26 TP at 0.5. There we go. Hit that 0.5. There we go. TP'd. Oh, no, hindi na siya. Hindi siya nag-TP. Maka siya ulit sa 28.8. All right, let's wait for that. Let's wait for that. You know, patience lang. All right, adjusting my TP targets. Let's see, para ma-close tayo before market opens. All right, let's see, going down again. So the next level basically is up to 127.8 and next one. Diba? Mag-hit na siya. Look at that. Look at that. Very beautiful. All right, close TP. All right. It's still gonna go down. TP at 27.8. Reaching that level now. 26.5. All right, all my positions at 27s and 28s are done. Now we're playing at 27s. It went back up obviously because it's, you know, the minute is a time frame is about to go up also now. So let's see. So next point of TPs would be 27s, right? 27s and 26. 27.4, 27.10, 7.8, yeah. Sige, all right, go down, go back down. Go Bears, go Bears. Walang bear na emoticon. Yeah, we'll look for that. Rocket down na lang. Yeah. What do you mean, but may na close? Can you clarify in that, Tonsley? All right, refresh game page. Go. Yeah, if you're looking at our profile page right now, you should see, wait, make Trump. The fact that James Comey was not persecuted and absolutely hurt things that he did just show how very reasonable Attorney General Bill Barr as so many people expect. That actually could be an indicator. Not that big though, that would affect our prices here right now. Market opens in 30 minutes or 21 minutes in to be exact. It's 9:01, time check. So I'll be ending my stream right now in like 10 minutes. Can't send here po Discord chat. You can't send? Nah, baka yung connection mo lang, Tonsley. I just saw your message. It went back up right away. Wow. Gandang sundan yun, no? Pero, you know, you can't do that because that's like gambling. Na it will still go back up at the same levels. But then it did, of course. But we can't predict that. Wala tayong bolang crystal, right? All we can do right now is bet based on our TA, and if merong FA, then we use that too. So we just TP'd like how many in the past 15 or 20 minutes. 4 positions. That's good, not bad. All right, we're about to end this stream, and we'll resume later around, I don't know, 8 maybe 8 a.m. Cebu time. Could be different time for you wherever you are, but we'll resume streaming by then, and resume working on our road to recovery. And if you have questions, by the way, please feel free to post that in our Discord channel, and please post that there instead sa FB group page natin kasi because ang hirap mag-track doon sa mga posts sa FB sa sobrang dami, but when you post it to Discord, mas madali siyang i-track, mas madali siyang mabasahin. And we would really appreciate if you post your questions there instead, especially if you mga technical analysis, anything about trading questions. But yeah, I recommend in general just post your questions there in general. All right. Uh, yeah. All right. So if you have questions also right now, please post it to the chat, and I'll try to answer it before we end the stream. Um, Time check 9:04. All right, it's about to go down again. Let's see if mag-TV tayo sa ibang positions natin. Our next position, TP position is 28.8. Let's see if that hits that. It's 29.9, 27, 29.7.6. Alrighty, here we go. Dropping at 28 levels. Back to that support line. Um, Here we go, here we go. Ubus na pala yung beer ko. I like malt. Ayun. Mm-hmm. Consolidating again. Let's see if that's actually waiting for the big push below. So looking at the 1 minute, it's about to prepare to go down, right? And also in the 5 minutes, it's actually going below our 80. The stock natin, levels 80, right? In 15 minutes, it's still going back, going up. But that means it's about to go down, right? It's time frame continuity natin sa 15 minutes. Oh, it hit again. That's an alarm. Yung sa horizontal line natin. All right, so now if you could see it's about to go back to the 28.92 support lines. Yeah, ayun. Nagbabadya. About to TP again at 28.8. 28.8. Come on, push down, bears. All right, TP, 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 0.8, 0.4. Come on, 1 minute. Go down, go down. Bears, bears, go bears. Go bears. Yogi Bear. Here we go. Let's see. Push below 128 or 28.93. Should hit this time around 28.67 safely. Close positions. TP, TP, TP. 1. Next TP is 1, 2. We're into 27 lows. So let's see if that breaks at 28 this time. So once it breaks, the new baseline should be at 28. Yeah, there we go. Push pa, push pa, push to 27. Bear, 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 bear. Alright, see, nagmo-move din yung baseline dito sa 1 second. There we go. Alright, there we go. Going back down. Yeah, and I'll just maintain that. So we have 5 TPs now. We're looking good. We're down to 9%. Yeah, going back up again. All right, see, nagbago yung baseline niya. It's now not really that much, but it went down to 29.32. Now, if this continues, 1 minute and in the 5 minutes, still showing that it's actually going down, and all the trends is showing that we're going down. We're going down, down. um, and let's see if that goes our way. We're looking at our TA. It is going down. Ayan, baseline, nag-move na naman siya. In 1 second, it's like erratic. You can't like, see really a trend. It's just like up and down, right? But in 1 minute, 15, 5 or 15 minutes, and then there are swing time frames, you would usually see that pattern, right? Showing. Kanina medyo dumami lang yung bulls. But bears right now is recovering. And based on, the recent news, since China and US is like on a truce temporarily. So we're betting on that, right? Seems like we are right. Yeah. So, okay, now it's moving the baseline right now. It should move. Okay, go back, go down. 28.7 again, about to TP, 28.7. So if you refresh our profile history, you should see right now that way I have just TP'd all sub positions. Probably seven, yeah, 7 positions now since we started earlier. Now we're about to add one, and counting push bears. It's actually showing that it's recovering here now again. Yan, nagpupush na naman yung mga bulls. See yung trend dito. But no, our bears is moving. All right, so anyway, I'll just end the stream now. And thank you. I'll be back later around, like I said, estimation lang to. And again, our event schedule is like not yet 100% followed just because I'm not full time. So meron tayong, mga obligations na dapat i-prioritize natin. So I'll be, back around like 8 in the morning, around that time, 8 to 9. And I'll be live streaming again and day trading with you. I hope you learned something today, and take care. Thank you. And please follow our channel, this Twitch channel, follow it. And you could also follow our our Twitter account. The links are just below my stream. And also please follow our YouTube channel where I post all our replays and any tips and tricks that we have, in the future also. Okay. Thank you for tuning in today, today, this afternoon, and gold evening, gold morning, gold afternoon. Thank you. God bless. Take care, and goodbye.